most insane money you've probably ever seen is in this game, and everyone is hearing about these TikTok meme coins. You've probably seen tons of these gurus talking about how much people have made from it. This just shows how much we're really heating up. I've personally made more than the average doctor with this month at the age of 15 with less than a year of trading experience, and retail is still yet to fully come, so it's the perfect time to learn how to trade these meme coins and change your life from them. The most recent example of this would be a TikTok meme like Chill Guy. This had run up from 10 million market cap to over $500 million market cap in less than a week. I mean, any one of these TikTok memes can change your life completely. It really just shows the insanity of this space and how there is no other space where you can go from knowing nothing to making tens of thousands a month this damn quickly. In this video, I'm going to be explaining everything you need to know about meme coins, from buying the crypto itself to the best free tools. Everything will be covered in this video. By the end, you will have a good idea what to look for in a coin, and we'll be able to catch these coins before they blow up like Chill Guy did. An opportunity with this many eyes and this much money at stake doesn't come around often, so you know when there is one, this might be your last chance for a while, so you need to lock in and get rich now. Now that you know what a meme coin is and actually how much is up for grabs, the first step to buying a meme coin is actually buying the cryptocurrency. The most popular chain is Solana, so that is the token you're going to want to buy. I would recommend for most beginners anywhere from 0.5 Solana to 1 Solana or 1 to 200 USD worth. You can buy this from any exchange like Binance, Coinbase or Kraken, just to name a few. Now that you have your money in an exchange, you're going to want to send it on chain. To do this, you're going to have to send your money to a Phantom wallet. So you go on Google Chrome, you search up Phantom, and you'll add it to your extensions, and then from there you copy the address and paste it into your exchange, and then you'll send your money over to there and your money is now on chain. Now that you have your Solana and a Phantom wallet, you're going to want to sign up for your trading bot so you can actually make the trades. I've linked the best one in the first link of the description. It's called Bullx and is the best and most commonly used bot in the space and has made me thousands of dollars through its speed and features. Now you've signed up for Bullx, you'll be sent to this screen here, and on this page there's a few things you need to change before you start looking for coins. This ensures you don't lose all your money on fees and you have everything set up properly. So the first thing you want to do is just click on any coin, it does not matter at all, and you look on the right tab here. This is your gas fees. This is basically how much you're paying the Solana people to get your buy in quicker. So the higher the gas fees, the more money you got to spend, but the quicker your buy is going to go through. What I would recommend for people is no fees if they're trading with small amounts, and you can either put buy MEV protection on or off. I'd say off with a low slippage if you have a very small buy amount with less than 0.1 sol. So basically what MEV is a MEV bot basically buys before you and then sells on you. So you buy up here and the price is actually down here, and you may lose 20 to 30% in the process. It can be even 50%. That's why I recommend the buy slippage. So if it does happen, your order will just fail. But what I would say with the buy slippage, a little tip that a lot of people don't know, is they actually do hunt specific percents. So they'll hunt 25%. So what you want to do is put it at 24 or just a random amount, 24.2. So that'll make sure you're less likely to actually get MEV'd. The next thing you want to be doing is 0% no fee as well for the sell. This is if you have less than 0.1 on your portfolio. The next thing I'll do is if you have more than 0.1 per trade, I would just copy these ones in the top right corner. This gets your buy-in a little bit quicker. So what I would do is just copy and paste it, and then copy and paste this and turn buy bribe on and enabled. This will cost a bit more on fees, and you would turn your slippage up to maybe 30%, 25%, and you can do the same thing before, like 29% to make sure you don't get MEV'd, but with the buy MEV, it shouldn't matter too much as you won't get MEV'd. Next thing you want to do is, this is another setting I can use, small MEV protection. I'll just go through them real quick. Yeah, this one's only a couple dollars. Medium MEV protection, this just depends on your buy amounts. So this one's about $5 per buy and sell. And then big MEV protection, which is quite a bit. It's about $10 to $12. So yeah, that's basically the main settings I'd set up when I first get on Bullx, just to make sure you don't get MEV'd and lose money on fees. This is the most common question I get asked. Why am I losing when I'm trading small amounts? This is why. So if you're losing money when you're trading small amounts, turn your fees to 0 and you'll stop losing, when you're trading small amounts. And you can also turn your MEV protection off if you're trading 0.1, because you're not going to get MEV'd anyway. So yeah, it'll definitely help a bit with your transaction speeds and not losing unnecessary money. Now you've got your gas settings set up. You want to go back to the main page, click on Neo Vision here on the side, and then you want to be seeing here, this is your quick buy amount. So basically, if you don't want to click on the page and you really do like the coin and you know it's something special, if you want to get your buy in quicker, instead of having to click on the coin and then buying here and then pressing buy, you can change your quick buy setting here. So you can just press one button from the home page. You do this from either the top left corner here. You can just put it at whatever amount you want. This is in dollars, not sold, by the way. So yeah, make sure you don't put in just $1 or whatnot. You can also change it from within the setting tabs here. You can change a lot of other settings in here. But what I would say is, yeah, just the buy preset buttons and the quick buy preset. So yeah, change this to whatever your portfolio is. You can change these. These are the buttons on the actual trades. And then this is the one on the home page. So yeah, maybe if you've got one sol, you want to be trading with maybe $25 amounts. And then here you want to put 0.05, 0.1, etc. It just really matters on your portfolio. Now that you've actually set up all your settings so you don't lose money and you've have everything quickly so you're ready to buy, you want to actually understand the space and the best tools. I offer all the free tools you need in my Discord for completely free in the description. The first one you're going to need is a wallet tracker. I have this on the side of my screen whatever I'm doing. I'm watching YouTube, I still have my wallet tracker open and my tweet catcher open, which I'll talk about later. These tools are completely free in the Discord. As I said, there's quite a lot of people in here grinding. As you can see, there's 20 people in VC right now and it's 1 in the morning. So you can see there's definitely grinders on all the time. A wallet tracker is basically a tool that tracks other people in the space. You know, Elbu, Bastille, Waddles, ETH, they're all people on Twitter that are, you know, good traders or they make a lot of money from it. So I've added like the top 150 wallets that you can find on Twitter and, you know, just general wallets that are really good to track. And I'll leave some in the description below for you to track yourself. So yeah, you can either track it with the one in the Discord, which I'd recommend as the wallets are already all added and it's paid for, or you can use the free bot in the link in the description. It's called Ray Tracker Bot. And yeah, you can just add your own wallets in there. As I said before, this and the tweet catcher is the best alpha you can find. It's by far the most ways I find my plays, just tracking wallets. And you know, this is the actual wallet tracker I use. So yeah, if you're not in the Discord, you join up now, and yeah, you won't be missing out on anything while it's free. The next tool I use is a tweet catcher. This is really good alpha. Basically, any news event that happens or anything big that happens, say Elon Musk got a dog. If he tweeted out he got a dog, there'll be a new coin and it'll send from say 0 to 30 million in an hour. You can track this by getting a tweet catcher, which basically notifies you before Twitter notifications come out. This is another free tool I offer in my Discord, and it shows you the tweets in less than a second after they come out. So you can see here, maybe this would turn into a meme coin as Binance Chain tweeted this out. You know, there's tons of things in here that all turn into meme coins. You know, Simon's cat, that's already a meme coin, but you know, Andrew Tate, you know, anyone big in the space, Donald Trump, Elon Musk, Phantom Wallet, Binance, any exchange, you know, anyone just that is famous. It's just how the space works. Whenever they tweet something, a meme coin will be made if there's a picture and, you know, a really good thing that they could do about it. So yeah, if it's just a meme, any big company tweets, it will become a meme coin. Same with any pets of big companies or big people, it will become a meme coin. So this is the best alpha you can get besides a wallet tracker, and they're both completely for free in the Discord. Those are the main 2 free tools that I do use, but I'm just going to run through all the free tools in the Discord real quick, as they are very important and they're free. So I mean, why wouldn't you use them? The first one is supply send tracker. Basically, when big people in the space get sent supply of coins, the coins instantly move as the supply control. It's a bit hard to understand, but basically any coin in here will go up. The next thing, I've already explained this, tweet catcher. Telegram call scraper. This basically scrapes every single call from about the top 50 Telegram groups. So you can see what people are talking about, what tokens they're talking about, what things they're talking about, maybe the market overall, and you can see, you know, everything in one place instead of having to go to all these different Telegram channels. Next one is a CEX listings. This is basically pretty self-explanatory. When it gets listed on big exchanges and apps like Binance, you know, Coinbase, any of those big exchanges, it comes here first, so you can see it first, Moonshot, etc. And basically after a big listing, it'll basically just instantly go up. So yeah, this is a really good channel to have to see, you know, maybe if your bags are going to be pumped, or maybe if you want to load up in any of these bags just before they're, you know, everyone catches on that they're being listed. The next thing that is in here is a multi-buy alpha. This is the best channel in the whole Discord server, and it's basically the normal wallet tracker, but it only shows when 3 or more wallets buy. I did a little test on this thing in here, and it averages a 4.5x every time, and the median's about a 4x as well. With the highest one, I've only made it yesterday, and the highest gains already about 200x into this channel, and it's not spammy at all. There's maybe 1 or 2 an hour, which is really good. So if you see anyone in this channel, it basically means lots of good wallets have bought it, and you might want to check it out. Another few tools we have in the server for completely free is top holder checkers. You can basically see if the top holders are whales of other coins, because if they are, they're less likely to cheat if they've got a lot of money. So yeah, they're less likely to sell if they're whales of other coins. And there's a lot of other commands in here. Like you can just click on this and you can see every other command. Check insiders, bundle check, analyze wallets, find wallets, high volume migrating, you know, high volume tokens, holder distribution, etc. It's a really good Discord server, completely free. There's a lot of grinders in here as well, and the chat's pretty active, and I'm always giving out free tools and tips. So yeah, definitely join up here while it's still completely free. Now that you have everything set up and you know the most important tools are, you just need to understand the most common scams and what makes the token good. The most common scam in this space, and is what almost every token has, it's called a bundle. And basically what it means is the person that makes the coin, usually, which is the dev, holds tokens on tons of different wallets and will sell on you when you buy and the coin actually pumps. So obviously you want to avoid this to make sure, you know, when you buy it won't go straight down. This is a good example of a bundle here. I mean, obviously not a good one, but it's still an example of a bundle. You can see here the green wick here. This is the most obvious one when they buy supply on 1 or 2 wallets and then just send it to about 50 wallets. So you see every single wallet here, they're all owned by the dev. They've got very similar holding percentages and they've got this little red insider logo. That's what I like so much about Bullx. They show you the rats and the insiders. So yeah, that's definitely the most important thing to make sure you avoid, but there are a lot more discrete bundles than just, you know, this one here. So we'll go find a discrete bundle real quick and I'll show you how to actually spot the discrete bundle. So let's just click on a random coin. Let's go on base GPT. All right, click on it, you copy the CA and you go to this Telegram bot that I'm going to link in the description. It's called Trench Radar Scanner. It's by far probably the best bundle bot that's free. So yeah, you just do /bundle, you paste the CA and it will tell you how much percent it's actually bundled and how much was bundled. So you see here 43 total bundles, had 150% of supply, so there was someone farming it clearly before. Now there's only 2% currently bundled, which is really good. So yeah, you can see this token here, it's got little to no bundle before, but here it probably had a lot of bundle, and here there was people dumping and buying and dumping and buying and dumping and buying. So you can see you don't want to be in a farmy chart like that. As you can see, it went to 0 basically before fully reviving again. So you can see that's when the bundle probably got out around here. So you don't want to be here when the bundle's actually in, because it doesn't really have a chance at sending if the bundle does start selling and, you know, buying back. So people get really scared when there's a bundle in, as you should. So if you don't know the actual bundle, I would completely ignore the token. So if you see it's bundled more than like 20%, 10%, 15%, I would just ignore the token unless you know the team on it. So yeah, that's definitely the most obvious and important scam in the space. This is on almost every token, so I would check every single token and buy it with Trench Radar Scanner before buying. The last step to actually start trading meme coins is just to understand what makes a coin pump. Meme coins is basically an attention-based economy, so whatever has eyes on the news, whether that be a real-world event, a TikTok meme, or anything else similar to that, if it has a lot of eyes on it and a lot of people are talking about it, like normal people that are outside of the crypto space, it usually means that there's definitely potential for people to buy it, as it's just attention based. So whatever you see getting the most attention in the media, especially if you watch TikTok or news, you know, you have a really big advantage. So like if a big animal dies, maybe a big animal gets killed, like similar to Peanut, yeah, you've got a really big advantage if you see it on the news before the coin actually comes out. So yeah, it's really important to actually understand real world stuff like, you know, TikToks and news and stuff like that, just to actually understand coins and see where the attention is. But you can definitely do it without watching all of this stuff. It just really helps to understand the meta. But if you're on this screen enough, you will understand what's reused, what has been done before, and also what will send. So yeah, once you're just grinding a lot, you will start to understand the coins much better. It does take a little bit to turn profitable. I'm not going to act like you can get rich overnight, but you know, 2 weeks to a month, you can easily turn profitable if you just stick with this and you watch my other videos on how to actually properly scan. I've got a full in-depth video on every strategy I use to find coins that is much more in-depth than this, which is just a basic beginner guide. I think that about wraps it up for the video. If you're losing money from meme coins or you just started trading meme coins, the best place to learn is actually the Discord. So yeah, ask whatever questions you have in there. We have a lot of people in there that have knowledge in the space and are currently making tens of thousands per month. So yeah, if you have any questions, you want to use the free tools and everything, it's all in the Discord server linked in the description below. And yeah, we'll answer any questions. You know, if you want to need help with Bullx sign up or need help finding coins, there's people always in the voice chat. We have 50 people in voice chats every single night. So yeah, it's definitely a really good hotspot for, you know, beginners or newbies to start their trading journey.